Channah.
And we're here today to do a program for acai bowls. And we have our stuff laid out, what we will be using to make our acai bowls. We have the powder, we have coconut, pineapple, strawberries, bananas, blueberries, some granola with some cranberry, semi-sweet chocolate chips, and then what is this, Channah?
Chia seeds and cacao nibs.
All right.
These are our toppings, but right now we're going to make the smoothie, and again we're making smoothie bowls. Difference between smoothie bowls and a smoothie in a cup is your smoothie bowls are a little bit thicker, so it can hold the tops, and a smoothie, in a smoothie in a cup you're drinking it.
All right.
We'll include the recipe as well.
All right, we're going to get started, and first off, we're going to use 2 cups of frozen fruit. Today we're going to use the frozen fruit with strawberries and blueberries and raspberries. So we're just going to fill it up. Get it nice and full. It's okay if it goes over. And then we are going to use, I have almond milk, so we're only going to use a cup of this.
And you can use whatever milk base that you want. We just like to use almond milk, just for, it's just easy to use, easy with the flavor. And then you've got protein powder.
Yep, I have 1 scoop of protein powder. This is just a vanilla flavored protein powder.
And then I'm going to do, how much again? A teaspoon?
2 tablespoons.
2 tablespoons of acai powder. You can get frozen acai at the grocery store in chunks, or already pre-blended. You said 2?
Yeah.
2. Okay. And this is like an unsweetened ingredient, and that's kind of what we try to do, is make something not extremely sweet. Also, the protein powder adds protein, helps with the carb content.
All right, so now I'm going to blend it, and we'll see how thick it gets. We're going to stir it a little bit.
Yeah. The one thing with smoothie bowls is you do want them to be thicker. And so it does require a little bit more patience, and it requires a little bit more, have a spatula or have something to help stir.
All right, let's try it again. I'm going to start one more time so we don't have to blend it as much, since we're mixing the liquid up together a little better.
Yeah, and the thing about smoothie bowls is you definitely want to use frozen fruit. If you used some of the fresh fruit, which is great for the toppings, but when you add fresh fruit and blend that kind of makes it more liquidy. But our goal is to have a thick and creamy smoothie, and so that's why everything is frozen that's going in. We don't really add any ice as well.
All right, let's try it again. All right, I think we are done. All right, definitely thick. It looked like it needed more liquid, but as you keep blending it, just stick with it, and you want it to be thick like that.
This is kind of what it looks like in the blender. I don't know if you can see that, but yeah, it's very creamy. That's what we love. And this is going to hold your fruit on top.
One of the things I like about acai bowls is it helps lower cholesterol. It's really good in fiber. You have all these healthy fruits, no added sugar. If you notice, we didn't add any extra sugar. So this is all natural sugars from your fruit. I know I got coconut, and I knew it has a little bit of sugar in it, but basically this is a pretty easy, healthy snack, or even a meal, depending on how much you're eating.
So it's really cool because, again, this is thick. Hopefully you can see how thick this is. It's not pouring, you know, the texture and just spreading it flat. Wow, we made just enough for two of us.
Because we're good.
Shantel and I, we do programs here in Shawnee. We do quite a few health programs together, and so we just chatty.
Yes.
So go ahead and you do your topping.
All right, so I know me and Channah have different flavor likes, so I'm going to decorate mine. So I'm going to use some strawberries first, and I'm just going to layer it out, and I like my bowl to look pretty, so
Yes.
I'm going to layer it looking pretty, or try to.
We just did a pretty basic smoothie just because we wanted it to be easy, but we also had a smoothie with spinach in it. You could hide this. You can't taste spinach or kale. There's not a lot of, like, it doesn't overpower or anything like that.
Okay, and then I'm almost done with my bowl. I got some chia seeds, pineapple, banana, strawberries, and coconut, and then I'm going to have a little bit of granola. And then when I'm done, I like to top it off with honey. And then that is all for me. Okay.
Okay, so I like cooking those. I don't know if I can get mine that pretty.
Well, mine's all hidden, so
Yeah.
it was
you know
pretty.
what? Okay, I was going to do chia seeds first. No, but I still have time. I love chia seeds. It's fiber. There's a little bit of protein in them. But I like the chia to start getting into the mixture as I'm mixing it up. And that's the neat thing about if you do this at home. You can just grab what you have, leftover stuff. You don't need a lot. Okay, that's a lot, but I do like chia seeds. And so I'm going to get some pineapple. And I feel like you're just meeting several taste preferences as well when it comes to, you know, having different options. Not everybody in the family likes the same things. Or just having like a smoothie party. These are cacao nibs. I tend to go for things with less sugar and try to find more organic toppings. That's just my preference. So this is granola, blueberry, bananas, pineapple, chia seeds.
And there's the difference looking of our bowls.
Mm-hmm. We have the same base, and we have all these toppings.
And just to note, if you don't like berries for your frozen fruit, like strawberries or raspberries, you can also just do peaches or mangoes. Mix it up and do a different fruit if you don't like your strawberries and raspberry flavors.
All right. Well, let's taste test.
All right.
I know we gotta do it.
Ready?
Go ahead.
Okay. That's good.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Well, it's really good. We tried it ourselves.
Yeah.
So-
I love the mixture of all this granola. I like crunchy, the chia seeds, the banana, the blueberry, getting all that in together. If you like this, check out our PLS website. So thank you, and we hope you enjoy.
Yes, thank you.